What's the meaning of bumboat? Bumboat. Bumboat.
Bumboat. Bumboat. A bumboat is a small boat that carries goods and supplies to and from ships anchored in a harbor. These boats are typically used to transport food, water, fuel, and other essential items to ships that cannot or do not want to dock in port. The term bumboat is believed to have originated in the 17th century and comes from the Dutch word boomschoot, which means a boat that is propelled by poles. Today, bumboats can still be found in many ports around the world serving the needs of ships and their crews.